Welcome to the Canva Classroom, everybody. Today's lesson is about YouTube channel art. It's time for me to redesign the Canva Classroom banner, so I thought I would walk everyone through my process and give some tips and tricks along the way. If you stay to the end, you will learn where to find the channel banner template so that you can easily design your own banner that's the right size for mobile devices and desktop. Let's get started. If you are creating a banner for the very first time or have struggled with creating channel art, then check out the templates YouTube has to offer for YouTube channel art. For me, I already have a project with some previous banners in it, so I'm going to use it as my jumping point. I recommend keeping all of your channel art projects together in one document. That way you aren't starting from scratch each time. Add a rectangle to the blank page so you know where your safety zone is. This is the area within your design that will be seen on all devices, no matter its size. You need a 1546 by 423 pixel rectangle positioned in the middle and center of your document. I am actually going to use one of these templates, so I will use another blank page. This template is called Black Photo Beauty Makeup YouTube Channel Art. I will need the rectangle to check mobile device alignment. This isn't a makeup channel, so I'm going to click this and delete it and find something else to go back there instead. I'm going to go to Elements and search for Fading Background. But I'm not sure what I think about it. I really like that one. I wish that it was a different color. Let me edit image and go to duotone and see if I can vary it using the TCC palette. Okay, let's try that. That image, well, now it's what I designed, but the image is called Lilac Purple Star Fade Background. And this is how you can take an image that's within Canva and change it to look like something that you would want. I do want to ungroup this and go ahead and make it the same width as my rectangle. But I'm going to go ahead and change this so that it says the Canva Classroom. And I'm going to change it to my font style. And then I'm going to add a little catchphrase. The Canva Classroom, every expert was once a beginner. Thank you for learning Canva with me. Now I'm going to take those and make sure they are positioned in the center. Group them, position them in the center and the middle. And this is very plain. Gradient. No, I don't. I want to do a texture. I just got to play around and see what I want. I want a dark texture. There we go. We're going to take a skill break, and what I'm going to do is share with you how to change something that's a square element and turn it into a rectangle. And this is how you would do that. Double click it, and what happens is these funny little triangles pop up. And so now you can crop it in so that it is a rectangle shape. And now when you make it larger, it's a rectangle shape, and you can size it in more to get it the proper size that you want. Back to the channel art. So I'm just going to bring it up real small and then take it and send it. I'll keep sending it backwards. Oh, well, I sent it too far backwards. This may need an effect of a background. Yes. But I don't need the spread to be that wide, and I could even make it that round maybe and give it a little transparency. Okay, now I'm gonna copy the paintbrush and go here. And for this, I want to do my little technique, but I'm going to do it on a different page. I'm going to take this and copy it and bring it to the blank page here. I'm just going to position the center and middle and change it to black. Download it with a transparent background. And then go back to my banner. I've got it here. I'm just left clicking and dragging it. Edit image, X out of that, shadows, glow, 15, 100, 0, apply. And size down so that it goes behind the original words. That looks pretty good. Actually, you know what? I'm going to take it up here and work on it here first. I'm using my arrow keys to align it, and now I will take that, group it. It's easier to work on letters like that on a blank page. And now the Canva Classroom. Every expert was once a beginner. Thank you for learning Canva with me. I like that look because it kind of looks like old school label maker. And then for those that are on desktop, I'll just give them a fun little surprise right here. Middle, group, position, middle, ungroup. Now, do I change this color any? That's really bright. I do not like that. Let's see here. Let's go here and maybe grab one of the colors here. What if I do it in a little white circle like this? Oh, I like that. What if I do this same sort of thing, but give it a white instead? Send it backwards, send it backwards. I kind of like that. What do you think? Why don't we try that and see how that works? 11. By the time this airs, the final one will be up there, but I'm not putting it up there yet. Your video. Customization. Branding. Here we go. Well, I don't want to remove it. I just want to change it and look and see what it would look like. So here it is. You see how it viewable on iDevices, and it's just a little bit viewable on desktop. And to be honest, that's all I've ever seen on TV too, but that gives a little extra just in case it ever does pop up, or a little extra. Yeah, I like the way that looks a lot. All right, well, I would click done and then I would click publish, but I'm not doing that yet because it is January 12th. I'm not quite ready to change this banner yet. How do you get this? That has the desktop size, the safe zone, the tablet, and the TV space. How do you get that? Well, I'm going to create a template that will have this information in it. And all you need to do is click the link in the description below. The link should be in the description shortly after publishing, so if you don't see the channel art template link, please comment below to remind me. I do have a tutorial on how I designed this template. If you want to see that, then watch it right now because I have it on your screen to your left. Thanks so much for learning Canva with me. If you like this lesson and want to see more like it, comment YouTube content creator. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.